welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful friends, today we're going to be creating a really fun spread for the month of May. I am eating my delicious grapefruit here. I'm gonna put this on the side. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be creating a spread for the month of May in my movie journal. Let me show you what I mean. So every month I make a spread. For example, this is for the month of January. And I have a little image on the side over here. I do some little decorations on the side just to kind of give me like a little bit of a divider of the month. And so this is for January. I also have here February, which is probably my favorite spread out of all of them. Let's see if I find it. Look how beautiful February looks. I love February. This is my favorite spread and I just love it. And so we're going to be creating one for May. I didn't create one for April, but I did create one for March. Let me show you. Where is March? Where is March? Can't find March, but I did have one in here for March. Oh, there it is. This is for March. It's pretty. So let's do one for me. I have here my image that I absolutely love. I picked already my image. I thought this was really, really pretty. I absolutely love it. And so I'm going to skip 2 pages because the end of April is still a few days away and I might want to watch another movie or two. So we're going to skip 2 pages and we're going to do the spread for May. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys the movies that I watch and my spreads that I created for the month of April in the next few days. I'm also going to be doing a video for you guys showing you what it is that I use to create my spreads that are associated with the movies that I watch. I usually keep my magazine images in this binder that I have here, which I categorize it in sections. I don't want to go too much in depth with this right now because I want to do a video on that in the future, but that's usually what I do. So I found this one that I thought was so beautiful and I loved it. And so what I did was I made a copy of this because I kind of want to keep this image. I made a copy and made it a smaller copy in my printer. So that's what we're going to use as our month of May spread. I already put double-sided tape on the back of this, so save some time. And I like to keep these spreads very simple. I don't want to do too much because I find that when I start putting too many stickers and too many things on it, it just gets complicated. So I just kind of just want to do it very simple. Literally the simplest possible way as possible. For me, works. It's not a big deal. I mean, you do whatever you feel comfortable. If you want to just put some stickers all over, that's fine. That's how you like it, and that's fine. For me, I'm going to keep it simple. This works for me. So I don't like the way this looks here, so I'm going to cover it with this beautiful book paper right here, a book page that I cut out to sort of hide this little wording right here. So I already have a double-sided tape. This is, I think this is not, no, I don't think this is, I think this is a dictionary pages that I actually have. That I use. So we're going to cover this up right here, just like that. Okay. And on this side, we're also going to be working on putting some more book pages here. So let me see something here. How did I do? Because I like the way February turned out. I think February is absolutely my favorite month page. how it turned out. Look how beautiful that looks. So what I did here is I put a few book pages here, and then I put the month February. So we're gonna do the same thing too. I also use this. I'm obsessed with this, guys. I talked about this on my last video. I use this amazing, beautiful sticker book that has postmarks on it with different colors. I absolutely love this. I did a flip through on this on one of my videos. I'll try to link it if you guys want to see what it looks like. It's beautiful. So I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put maybe this here and this here. I'm going to put the word May here, which I already have somewhere in here. Okay, let's see here. Let's put the word May right there, and I'm going to put these two right next to each other. All right, let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna put May right there. I want to put this here, and I want to put this here, or maybe like that. Yeah, like that. Okay, double-sided tape on this, which I already have. Perfect. Didn't even notice that. Okay, and we're gonna add this right at this corner right here. Okay, perfect. And then this one we're going to add, I think I'm gonna put this right there, or should I put it here? Let's put it here. Let's put it right here. Oh, I have double-sided tape on this as well. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here, right next to this one. Maybe a little bit off. No. There you go. Perfect. And then I'm gonna put a stamp that kind of goes with this theme color. Probably, I like to look at a lavender one. Maybe this one right here. I'm gonna put that right there. I am obsessed with these stamps. They're so beautiful. Okay, perfect. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add some beautiful flowers. I told you it's very simple. I'm not going crazy with like decorating it because I don't want to do that. I like to go crazy and decorate the pages for my spreads on my movies. So I kind of like to keep this simple, yeah? So let's look and see what flower I can add to the beautiful images in here. See what catches my attention. Okay, so I kind of like these right here already. So yeah, let's grab that. I like these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to very carefully pull these out. Okay. It's going to go there. And then this one, I would like to put it here, just like that. See that? I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here. So, okay, I like this one here. Let's do that. These are so hard to peel. Okay, perfect. So, right there. And then this one, I like it there, or maybe here. Maybe here. Yeah, here. Can do that there. These are so fuzzy. Okay, right here. And we're gonna add one here. Maybe, I think I'm gonna put it here, just like that, okay? And I hope you guys can see that because that's pretty far. But I will give you a close-up in a few minutes. If you want to add some washi tape, you can. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. And then, I think I'm done with my sticker flowers. And I think I'm done. Now, I kind of want to add a dry flower. So I have this little bundle here that I love, but I also have a flower on the side over here that has been drying for a while, which I think I'm going to use. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I have this really fun dry flower that I've been drying forever. I want to kind of put that in here somewhere. So what we're going to do is we are going to, let's see, kind of want to take the petals of this and create a little, nice little petal feel of deliciousness like that. Okay, now I'm going to use, to keep my petals intact, I have here packing tape that I like to use. So I'm going to layer the packing tape over the petals to kind of keep them in place. And then I'm done with the spread. I like the way it looks. It's very simple, but I love how it turned out. Okay, I'm gonna glue this right over it, just right over it, okay? Right over it, just like that. And very nicely and smooth it out so it can be flat. Okay, and look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Doesn't that look pretty? I love that. See that? Love it. Simple, beautiful, and whimsical. I love it. So that is what my May spread is going to look like. If you want to go back in and add some washi tape, you can. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to add, where is my square washi tape? This one. I'm going to add a little piece of this washi tape. I kind of like the contrast of it. And then we're done. We're simply done. I love it. I love how it turned out. It's very simple, but it's very pretty. Very, just, you know, simple. I love simple things. Let's see. Let me cut this a little bit here and add it right here, a little piece. And we're going to add this piece down here. Okay. This one we're going to add over here. And we're done. Voila. We are done. That is what my May page looks like for my movies that I'm going to be watching on May. I love the way it turned out. It's simple, it's easy, very simple, very down to like the idea of like just being very simple, not complicated. I'm not really thinking too much about how to put it together, but I love the way it looks, yeah? And I love this image. I love these flowers. I love my washi tape, and then these flowers are beautiful. You can always go back and put something here if you want. I'm going to keep it like that because I love it simple. And then I love how I put these really beautiful petals right here from the flower. Beautiful, yeah? Okay, perfect. All right, my loves. Let me know what you guys think about my beautiful, gorgeous spread. I love it. And by the way, May is my birthday month, so I'm very excited also. All right, my loves. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys soon. I hope that this was fun to watch me put together. And make sure you stay tuned to see how I am going to be putting what I use to put together these beautiful spreads, and also what movies I have watched in the month of April. All right, I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.